The 2026 Porsche 911 is finally here. And if you're watching Gravity Automotive, get ready. Because today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated performance icons of the decade. And before we get into the deep details, here's your quick 30-second hook. Imagine the legendary Porsche 911 you've always known: rear engine balance, unmistakable silhouette, perfect driver engagement, but evolved with smarter aerodynamics. A new hybrid-assisted powertrain option, next-generation tech, sharper handling, and an interior that feels more luxurious and more connected than ever. All while staying true to the soul that made the 911 a global performance benchmark. The 2026 model doesn't just refine the formula, it future-proofs it, blending classic mechanical purity with modern electrified precision. And by the end of this breakdown, you'll know exactly why this might be the most important 911 release in years. Now let's jump straight into what makes the 2026 Porsche 911 special, starting with its design. Porsche keeps the instantly recognizable teardrop shape and wide rear stance, but the car adopts sleeker LED matrix headlights, a more sculpted hood, reworked side air intakes, an active multi-stage front cooling system, and a unified light bar across the rear fascia that integrates new 3D illumination patterns, giving the car a cleaner yet more aggressive identity. The updated body panels use lighter aluminum and composite materials to improve rigidity and reduce weight, despite added hybrid hardware in certain models. Porsche also enhanced aerodynamics with adaptive rear wings, retractable vents, a smoother underbody, and active air curtains, boosting high-speed stability and efficiency. Under the rear deck lid sits the heart of the machine, a revised lineup of engine options, including the iconic twin-turbocharged flat-six, available in several outputs depending on the trim, with base Carreras producing around the mid-400 horsepower range, Carrera S models pushing past 500 horsepower, and Turbo and Turbo S variants comfortably exceeding 640 horsepower with even sharper throttle response. But the headline new option is the hybrid-assisted 911. Not a plug-in, but a performance-focused system using an electric motor integrated into the transmission to deliver instant torque fill, reduced turbo lag, and a noticeable boost in acceleration without disconnecting drivers from the traditional flat-six soundtrack. Porsche designed the hybrid system as a performance enhancer rather than an economy play, making the 2026 Hybrid 911 the quickest non-GT model ever while maintaining excellent balance and weight distribution. Performance numbers are expected to include 0 to 60 miles per hour times as low as 2.5 seconds in higher trims, with top speeds reaching into the 200 mph territory for turbo models. And Porsche's updated PDK dual-clutch transmission shifts even quicker thanks to reinforced internals and improved software logic. Handling receives upgrades too, with recalibrated PASM adaptive dampers, optional rear wheel steering, a wider tire footprint, and a new active roll stabilization system that keeps the car flat through high-speed cornering without sacrificing road comfort. Inside, the 2.0-6 911 blends luxury with purposeful driver focus. The redesigned cabin features premium leather, Alcantara, aluminum trim, new customizable ambient lighting, and improved sound insulation. The digital gauge cluster now includes a curved 12.6-inch display with classic 5-dial view modes, while the central 11.4-inch touchscreen adds faster processing, wireless connectivity, improved navigation with real-time charging assistance for hybrid models, and support for over-the-air software updates. The steering wheel gets new programmable toggles for drive modes, while the center console adds a cleaner gear selector layout, more storage, and updated climate controls. Technology features include wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a premium Bose or optional Burmester 3D sound system, improved voice control, a 360-degree camera suite, digital key access, and Porsche Connect services with remote monitoring through the Porsche app. Safety takes a leap forward with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot detection, autonomous emergency braking, rear cross-traffic alert, traffic sign recognition, driver monitoring, and next-generation structural reinforcements designed to enhance crash protection while keeping weight low. For drivers who enjoy track days, available safety upgrades include ceramic composite brakes, enhanced cooling systems, and a configurable drive mode manager that logs performance data. Practicality improves with redesigned front trunk space, more efficient interior storage solutions, and upgraded seating with better bolstering and ventilation. Pricing for the 2026 Porsche 911 lineup in the United States is expected to start around $120,000 to $1,000 for the base Carrera, $140,000 plus for the Carrera S, $185,000 plus for the Turbo, $215,000 for the Turbo S, and higher for limited or hybrid performance variants, depending on options and performance configurations. Porsche's customization program remains extensive, allowing buyers to personalize paint colors, interior stitching, performance packages, wheel designs, and exclusive materials. The official release date is scheduled for late 2025, with customer deliveries beginning in early 2026. And Gravity Automotive will continue covering every update as Porsche reveals more details. The 2026 Porsche 911 represents a major evolution: smarter, faster, more connected, and more future-ready, yet still unmistakably a 911, proving that Porsche can innovate without losing the emotional driving experience enthusiasts expect. If you love performance engineering, iconic design evolution, and the perfect blend of tradition and technology, the new 911 sets the benchmark once again.